Somewhere in the noise of modern business, a silent revolution is taking place. A quiet edge, a tool hidden in plain sight. And those who find it, they're not just surviving, they're winning. Every business is chasing the same thing: speed, clarity, and an unfair advantage. But behind the scenes, most are still drowning in slow systems, manual tasks, and outdated thinking. What if the playing field wasn't level anymore? What if a small shift in how you think could unlock exponential results? I've been testing something free, simple, accessible, but more powerful than anything I've seen in years. And it's not a new app, not some complicated tool locked behind a paywall. It's something smarter. And once you understand what it can do, you'll never run your business the same way again. It's time I let you in. I'm talking about the Llama 3 API, and it's changing everything. This tool is quickly making waves across the business world. For a reason. With its advanced AI capabilities, it helps businesses automate repetitive tasks, extract critical insights, and make better, faster decisions. What's truly game-changing? You don't need to be a developer or data scientist to use it. Whether you're running a startup or scaling a large operation, this API makes innovation accessible. Think automating customer support, analyzing massive datasets, personalizing experiences at scale, all from one simple, scalable interface. And yes, it's free to use. In a world where agility and adaptability are no longer optional, this kind of edge isn't a luxury. It's survival. I'll walk you through how businesses just like yours are using it to cut costs, increase productivity, and uncover patterns they never saw before. One retailer used it to personalize their customer journey and saw a spike in revenue within weeks. Another company integrated it into their supply chain, cutting delays by over 40%. These are just a few examples. The possibilities? Practically endless. From natural language processing to machine learning models, Llama 3 gives you access to tools once reserved for tech giants. And this is just the beginning. There's so much more to uncover about what this tool can really do. If you're serious about taking your business to the next level and you want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to subscribe. I'm diving deeper into the secrets, strategies, and real-world use cases that are shaping the future of business. Hit that subscribe button and let's unlock this together.